Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling evidence, your +2 mark sheet, board details, and any reservation certificates. Once done, pick the 4 subjects that MG University counts for your chosen UG program and write down each subject's maximum marks and your actual marks. This immediate data gathering gets you into calculation quickly. Make sure you record board type and year because normalization may be needed later. With accurate subject names and scores in front of you, you are ready to convert these into comparable scores. Next, convert each subject mark to a common 100-point scale. Divide your mark by that subject's maximum, then multiply by 100. Once converted, apply any course-specific weightage. Some programs weight language less or give heavier weight to elective subjects, so multiply the scaled score by that percentage weight. After weighting, add the 4 resulting scores together. This total is the raw score you will normalize or divide as the MGU formula requires, so double-check arithmetic and decimal places before proceeding. Finally, apply normalization if your board differs from the reference board. Use the normalization factor declared by MG University in the prospectus or announcement. Then plug the summed weighted score into the university's index formula. Typically divide or average as specified, then round to the required precision. Once done, record the final index mark and keep supporting calculations. If results look off, troubleshoot by rechecking subject selection, scaling steps, and any misplaced weightage. Errors usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.